Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can quickly create a professional restaurant food ordering website using Wix. Whether you're a small business owner hoping to launch your food service online or just someone curious about website building, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an eye-catching and functional ordering site right from scratch. So let's jump in. We're going to make this process super manageable by starting with a Wix template. Templates really take a lot of pressure off, especially if you're not a web development expert. They give you a solid foundation to work from, almost like having a pre-built house that you just need to decorate and customize to your taste. This way, the whole setup moves a lot faster, and you won't get stuck on technical details. Once you're on Wix, head over to the site page, click on it, and then select Create New Site. It's natural to feel a little nervous here, but don't worry, Wix guides you every step. Next, you'll see an array of template options. Make sure to choose the Studio Template option because those templates tend to be modern and flexible, perfect for businesses like restaurants. Now here's a tip. In the search bar, type in restaurant food ordering website or even just ordering website. Press enter and Wix will display a collection of templates tailored specifically to food ordering services. Take a minute to browse through this list, don't rush. Each template has its own style and layout, so pick one that matches your restaurant's vibe. Maybe you're going for something classic and elegant or perhaps a fun and vibrant look. When you find one that feels right, just select it and then wait for it to load. Sometimes this part can take a few moments, depending on your internet speed, so it's a good time to grab a quick sip of coffee. Once your chosen template is loaded, you'll be inside the website editor. This is your control center. Spend a little time here clicking around the different sections of the site. Familiarize yourself with how it's set up. The main menu, the ordering page, and any gallery or about us sections. If there are placeholder images or sample menu items, go ahead and swap those out for your own. You can change text, colors, images, and even rearrange sections. This customization is where you make the site truly yours. For example, change the restaurant name, upload your signature dishes, and maybe update the color scheme to match your brand. Don't worry if some details take a little trial and error. Wix lets you preview everything as you work, so you'll always see what your customers will see. A quick but crucial step, your payment system. For your visitors to place orders and pay online, you'll need to set up a payment gateway. This usually means connecting a service like Stripe or PayPal in the Wix backend. You should know that activating online payments requires a premium plan, which is a small investment but essential for real orders. If you're just practicing or demoing, you can skip this for now, but for a real restaurant, it's absolutely worth it. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, just hit publish. That's it, your restaurant food ordering website will be live for the world to see. It's a fantastic feeling, seeing your business come to life on the web. I hope this guide helps you get started with ease. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials to boost your business online. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new restaurant website.